always naman kami mag-show up, even in any circumstance pa na ibigay sa amin. Ina-akit nga nila kami sa TikTok eh. Proud Indonesian here. We were very much loaded po sa incident. But like when the team of JBL and our director, Paolo Valenciano, went to our tent and talked to us, ano naman po, they said na it should be from their end na yung panggagalingan ng statement. And po, it's also our choice na to not have a say about it. Always naman kami mag-show up, even in any circumstance pa na ibigay sa amin. Simula pa lang nung sa school kami nagpo-perform or sa mga bars, kung anong circumstance ang ibigay sa amin, we'll make it work. We'll do what we love. We'll do kung ano yung sinabi sa amin gawin doon. And we'll keep it professional always. Dahil number one naman sa amin yung mga pag-perform for our fans and for our love for the arts and the music. So hindi nag-matter sa amin kung ano oras kami mag-perform, basta magawa namin yung hinihintay niya. Like, we just wanted to be as honest as possible when we were writing the album. And ayun, we're very grateful kasi nag-ano siya, kasi yung
ang cool lang po na parang hindi po nila native language yung Tagalog, pero parang ang ganda ng how music connects people even without understanding, kasi ramdam mo pa rin yung emosyon ng kanta, yung bigat ng kanta. Tapos yun yung nakakatuwa yung gawa sila ng version nila in their own language. And parang ang interesting din yung how they parang change some of the lyrics, some of the ideas para mas mag-fit sa kung paano nila-dictate yung certain words, which is na-appreciate ko kasi parang they're taking a beautiful creation yung multo, tapos making it their own, which is parang din yung gusto kong maano sa song na yun, na kung na-release parang it's everyone's song na, kaya make it your own. Ayun.
Naka-announce lang po magkakaroon po ng Stardust sa Singapore. And hopefully po, makapunta rin po kami sa Indonesia kasi sobrang dami namin listeners.
Kaya nga.
Maraming joke.
Yeah, ina-akit nga nila kami sa TikTok eh. Proud Indonesian here. Bukod po sa US and sa Middle East, gusto rin po talaga namin mag-iba ng Asia.